Good morning, YouTube. Just wanted to show you guys a quick little clip of my hike yesterday that I did at Rocky Mouth Waterfall. Unfortunately, there was no water, so apparently I guess it wasn't a waterfall, but the hike was real good. I went with a really close friend of mine, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys want to go hiking up there, I recommend you guys either go sometime in the beginning of spring or maybe after like a rainstorm or something, so that way there's water. But it's not much of a hike. It's kid friendly. There was kids running up and down on the trail. It's about a half a mile of a hike up to the waterfall. There's a trail off to the left. As soon as you hit the waterfall, that you can keep going up. That one's just a little bit more of a steeper, rockier kind of a hike, but just to the waterfall, it's perfectly fine for kids, and the whole family can go. And I hope you guys enjoy the clip. It's not much, but it's basically all pictures. There wasn't really much to record. I was having some difficulties on getting a hold of my GoPros, so it was really more pictures than anything. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys take your family and have fun up there. And watch out for mountain lions.